Meaning of language and power. Variety of people are there in society. Example, politician, teacher, an officer, etc. The use of language is different. Communication between any higher officer and a subordinate or working person also different. Institutions and individuals use the language to develop their position and power. In history, some people sustained power by the use of language. Types of power. Political power, which includes politicians, police, lawyers, etc. Social power, which includes class, gender, age. Personal power, occupation, status. Powerful is one who uses the language honestly. Example, writer, politicians. Francis Bacon said, knowledge is power. For this, language is necessary. We become popular through language. When we see William Shakespeare, Julius Caesar, there we see that Brutus was attracted the people of that Roman, that Brutus said that Julius Caesar was killed because in order to build democratic nation. But after Mark Antony came and said what Brutus' mistakes give a result of Julius Caesar, after that Brutus ran away. So in this way, because of their way of saying using the language builds their power and develop their popularity. Next, language and class. Language is a bridge among the people. Class is the structure of the relationship between a group of people who are classified based on their education, occupation, and income. In every class, language is different. Child language is informal with their French, but child language is formal with their teacher, leaders, etc. Use of language is different in different classes of society. Use of language by an educational person and illiterate person is different. Village man and urban man use of language is different. The same language they use in different way. Difference is found in the language uses in societies should not be judged as good or bad. Teachers should know these differences. Teachers should know every child's mother tongue in order to teach English properly. Example, avaru. In English, they. Child uses say they for Kannada word avaru. So, in order to respect. But actually in English we don't use they, we use he, she for respect. We don't use they as substitute for Kannada word avaru. So all these we have to tell our children. Instead we clarify them that English has a different way of showing respect. We have to tell the child. Tonal variations very important. Tonal variations very important in English for meaningful communication. So this is language and class and language and types of power and language and power.